On the dark distant highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sights grew dim. I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven and this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle, showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Plenty of room at the Hotel California, any time of year. You can find it here. Her name is Stephanie Twisted. She got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys that she calls friends. How to dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. We haven't had this spirit here since 1969. And since those was are calling from far away, wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. You're living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise.